Hello class, so today we're going to be talking about the rock cycle and the three main rocks that make up the cycle. We have our igneous, our sedimentary rock, and our metamorphic rock. So the first rock we're going to be talking about today is our sedimentary rock. On the surface of the earth, wind and water break down the rock into tiny pieces, and this process is going to be called erosion. Over time, these rock fragments build up and start to weigh down on one another. Eventually, they fuse together to form the sedimentary rock. And a couple of different kinds of sedimentary rocks shown here could be our rock salt or our sandstone. The second rock that makes up the rock cycle is our metamorphic rock. This rock may form by friction of the Earth's shifting crust, pressure deep within the Earth, or even radioactive decay. The heat and pressure cause the rock structure to change, so it may take on a new form. And a couple of different types of metamorphic rocks could be our soapstone, gneiss, or the amphibulite rock. And the third type of rock in the rock cycle is our igneous rock. When the rock gets superheated deep within the earth, as you can see in this picture, they melt and form a liquid called magma. If magma rises to the surface or moves up in the earth's crust, it begins to cool. A couple of different types of igneous rocks could be our granite, obsidian, or scoria. Ultimately, any rock can go from one type to another. However, all rocks are connected, which ultimately makes a cycle that never ends. The igneous rock may also go to metamorphic. A metamorphic may as well change into the sedimentary, and vice versa. And this makes up the rock cycle.